Smile a little bit. Smile a little bit.
This number is temporarily unavailable. Please leave a message.
So, went to your funeral. God, sounds weird to say, right? Mama Wells. Well, her heart's broken, but she's hanging in. She's tough. A lot of people showed, actually. Camp Aurora sent someone too. Guy did read from a card. But, you know, there was a lot of respect and warmth. Wish you could have seen it, Jack. Sure you would have liked it.
July 6th, and we're doing a little ride-out for Austin for his 23rd birthday. He would have been 23 today. So today we're going to ride it up for him, you know. Show a little love and shit. I'm not sure how much people are going to be here, so we'll see when it comes up. It's like about 9 o'clock. I'm running a little late. Still got to stop by at the shop right, get some flowers. But, you know, still perfect timing. I wanted to do it early because it's going to be hot as shit today. It's going to be like 90 degrees today. So I didn't want to have everybody out there in the blazing sun at like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I wanted to get on the road before that. Sorry. It's hot. They should have flowers here. I still need to get gas, I ain't gonna lie. Thank you. Thank you very much.
They're gorgeous too.
Thank you. Yeah, somebody here already. Happy birthday, boy. Happy birthday, my dog. Man, it would have been a blessing to have you here today. Man, I was wishing you were still here, bro. God damn it!
Where's everybody going on y'all motorcycles? What's going on?
We was doing a little memorial ride out for our man that passed away right here.
Okay.
We better ride up to Philly right now.
Y'all all look super cool, dog. Please be safe.
We will, thank you. Alright, it says we're an hour away. Why the fuck is y'all on the right side? I know. Did y'all actually go to the right? Oh shit! Oh shit! Shit! What's behind me? What is this? I don't know. Who the fuck is that? I don't know. Alright, well. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. Oh! That's it!
Traffic.
Hella traffic.
That was up. Oh, you're moving through it, okay. Are y'all lane splitting through it?
Yeah. That nigga moving. Whoever that is, that nigga's moving. Is that a GX10 job? Yeah. Hey. Oh my god. Somebody, bro, watch out. I think that this ain't trying to pitch y'all off. No, there's probably like a Phillies game or something on right now. Yeah. That nigga is gone. Yeah, he gone. This is cool, huh?
We're in the city of YN. We're taking exit 22.
How do I hear that through my helmet?
Yeah, you heard that too, right?
That scared the shit out of me.
Oh, take exit 22.
I'm like, what the fuck? I know money ain't stopped my shit already. Shit. You get off at exit 22 right towards City Hall?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's it, we take it. 22. That's probably where it's gonna be the most traffic under. Oh, watch out for that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Someone get next video. I need a fucking video. Come on. Alex.
What?
I need a video to make it in the tunnel. Hurry up. Hey you. Hey up. Oh. Oh. Where are you going? We get the video.
We gotta take his left over here.
I know. You ready? Oh.
Go left, exit 22.
Left. Alright. You may see a lot of brick lights. I hear somebody mad. So thank God, whoever's I hear right now, they come in. I know. I think it's Alex. Oh shit, wait. Oh, that's
Oh!
that shit was unexpected as fuck.
Spark left.
Thanks for the walking.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my god, look at that view, Alex! Oh my fuck!
goodness, that's perfect. Alex, I wish I had my camera.
Look at this city.
I know, just look at it.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! I want all of you to look at it!
Everybody's cars are running out.
A brotherly fucking hate. Go, 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 go.
Alright, now I don't know where to go from here, bro. Keep it a being.
Just keep on going straight, I think.
There's a red light. Up. We stand right in front of the steps, right?
I guess, yeah.
Oh.
So we're missing Ja,
God and the other two people.
and the fourth guy.
The fourth guy? Oh, not the science guy?
Huh?
No, not the science guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fucking hot.
I know.
Oh, that's Dick Temple. Who's that? That's Dick Temple. He was.
Take my key off every single time I get off these bikes in Philly.
I'll help the short girl.
I gotta help the short girl.
Moving behind the rocks!
You got it. 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 Oh, you got it. You good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. What about you, young boy?
No, get out the way.
Oh, my bad.
Almost ran him over.
Hi. You're good. You're good.
And stop. Don't worry, Captain. We'll buff out those scratches.
You're good. Good. Oh, you're good. Alright, I'm gonna take his hat. That's helmet off. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Yo! Yeah, what the fuck? You're good?
Turn the other way.
Let me see the other foot. Let me see the other foot. Gotta record the right time. Come over here. Watch the coat park like a bot.